tried to build the most sustainable building that we could think of. And it's not just in the building, it's in everything we do. It's the way we do things. It's in the way we produce our chemicals. It's in the way we deal with our customers. It's in the way that we evaluate our suppliers. So it's more than just the building. It's the way that we want to handle all the situations around us, the whole world around us. When it comes to sustainability, we have a 360-degree view on what it means to us. So it has to do with the earth, the air, energy, and water. We use the geothermal energy for the heating and the cooling of the entire building. So we have 7 wells of 100 meters deep. And for example, in summertime, the earth is very cold compared to the temperature outside. So we use the cold inside the earth for the cooling of the building. We also have a green roof on a part of the building that works both isolating, but the plants are also good for CO2 absorption. Energy was a very important, but also a very difficult challenge in the concept of this building. We use solar energy, which we store in batteries. And they supply the energy we need. So we don't need the energy of the street current. It makes it also difficult because when there is not a lot of sun, we need to use the energy from the batteries. And we need to be very efficient when using it. There was a limit on the consumption of CO2 that the constructor of the building could use. He had a maximum of 500 tons of CO2 to use. So that means that all the materials that we used for the construction had to be as sustainable as possible. And that's why we chose wood as the primary building material for this concept. Water is something we know a lot about and is also something that Belgium has a lot of. So we use the rainwater on our roofs and we collect it and then we filter it in the quality that we need in our production. Our wastewater we don't dispose, but we collect it as well. We try to recycle it however possible. And the last wastewater, which we cannot recycle, goes into our pyramid. And this pyramid works with a natural system of evaporation and condensation. So that means that in a very natural way, this pyramid generates clean water for us. What we did here was not trying to follow any benchmark, but setting the benchmark.